obviously we can't be filming any vlogs on the road or even together. We're kind of both in each other's. Jamie's up in his house in his garage trying to do what he can, and I'm down here. So we might as well do a bit of maintenance. Now, one of the things that kind of annoys me a bit with this is just how dirty all the chain is, and the chain wheels, front and rear, the sprockets, and all this like traps so much grease. You can see all the lithium. I think I might have chosen the wrong thing as well. I use like white lithium grease, so it kind of doesn't really stay white for longer than a ride out, and then it's all goes a bit minging. So I think we're going to strip it all down, take all the wheel out, take this chain, take this sprocket off, clean the sprocket back so it's like brand new, clean all the chain down, take all this cover off, clean all that front up, and then probably look at getting some clear lube for the chain, maybe some stuff that actually dries and goes a bit harder than the lithium grease that kind of just flicks everywhere. So yeah, first things first, I'm going to get the bike out and give it a proper clean down because it got a bit wet last time we went out. We went through some puddles. This stuff as well smells like bubble gum. It's amazing. Cleaned down. Next thing I'm going to do is drop off this cover and drop the wheel off. You can see this is easy to get to now and clean. All the teeth are in pretty good condition, so there's not really much point changing it. And then yeah, loads of space. We'll probably give all this a clean while we're in there as well. Put the wheel assembly back together. You can see it's got quite a nice shine to it now. This will be, I'll go over this again once all the wheels back in and all this is cleaned up. I'll go back over it all with a rag, clean it all up. But now we're going to get all this area cleaned and then do the chain. I'll put it in this handy box so that I don't get cleaning fluids all over the floor. Yeah, let's get on with it. cleaned all the slider as well, the plastic slider. Obviously you saw me cleaning all this area with the WD, so if you do, make sure you get the brake cleaner inside and obviously clean all your pads back off again, because you don't want WD-40 on your brake pads. Then we've got the wheel, which I just went over again with a cloth. It's actually come up really well. You can keep going, like if you wanted to get that as a total mirror, you can basically just keep going until it shines more and more and more, but you have to kind of draw the line somewhere, I guess. But yeah, I'm going to get the wheel back in now, get all the chain on, and then look at cleaning the chain while it's on. I've got most of the dirt off. You can see it's obviously a lot cleaner than it was. So once all that's done, I can just keep going with the chain. I'm going to clean up this side that you can see a lot better, and then get all the caps back on, clean all that out. Yeah, get in there. Now, just going to give this a little clean up, get that back on, and then work on the chain a bit more, get all the area cleaned up. Should be good. I went ahead and put the cover back on, cleaned all the old chain lube, all that white lithium greasy type stuff. It goes on white and then it just ends up going black. Then all the chains cleaned as well. I did that with a WD, a soft brush and a rag to get all the dirt off as it went. Then the chain ring sprocket is pretty clean now, got a bit of a shine to it. Even the chain is now like, you can touch it, not get loads of crap. If you use a chain lube that goes on nice and clear and keeps looking clean like how that is now, let me know. Let me know what you use, because the stuff I was always using just makes a mess. It's probably good stuff, but it just looks horrible. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how it came out for what, an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours worth, with dropping the wheel off and struggling to get it back on my own. Yeah, so any more suggestions of what we can do while we're quarantined, let us know, and we'll see you in the next one.